Abakachiko ka National Council for Science and Technology basibo mu Mbarara okongera kumanyisa abatura abarukwetaba omukuchondoza kuona obugabe bwabo.
UNCST, which is the National Council for Science and Technology, regulate the conduct of research in the country, and we would like to inform our research participants that they should be informed about how long they should take place in the study and what exactly they are going to do. If there are any risks that are involved as they participate in the research, they should be informed.
Aba batayira office y'omujwekero wa mukuru w'ihanga aho Rembo Rwambarara bamwanjurira entebekanisa zabo kandi baraganisa okwatanisa nabo.
Tugambira yeja kuyaho information ashimye kuba ine clearance ubwo mu kanseri ashimye kuba namanyango wiregwe mu kushashurwa kandi ubwo kujya gukora research ashimye kubanza kujya mu office yito ya security tukareba ko abari clearance nagiha umukanseri so twabakira beje abaturaguramo
okurigera Helen Oprot arikurira okuchondoza akachikwaka yashobora ngu omuntu wena arikwetaba omukuchondozo ku ashemerwe kuhebwa sente aho bobwire obwaruka ogwo murumo barukuchondoza.
They should also be compensated for the time that they take part in the research. Because they have taken off hours from their normal duties. So the research teams should compensate them for their time for participating. They should also sign an informed consent form that will ensure that they have been able to voluntarily take place in the research.
We are receiving kunka mwetu tutakumanya ngo bashimye kuba bari cleared shimye kutunga clearance ku National Council for Research and Technology bitakukimanya kunka twakimanya tuje kuba turabona matendere yabo ukubikiriza bakaje mu community yitu Kambara City ukubikiriza kuje bakakora research.
Aba hona batayira itendekero rya must aho muhwezi wa mukuru w'itendekereri yagambira okubine entebekanisa yo kushomesa abatura abarukwetaba omukuchondoza okukorwa abashaho nabeji ahitendekereri.
Why should I be enrolled in a clinical trial? What are my rights when I get enrolled in a clinical trial? What is the risk of being
those are enrolled? Because you're telling them first, you're explaining what is research. You tell them
you're the right people to join me.
Aba hona baherezayo ebihandiko ebirabahwere omukoro mu kuchondozo okugira ngu nabo bamanye obugabe bwabo obari kukoreraho okuchondoza. Gasha kwa Aiden Bataringaya.